is for you guys. Open the card.
Side. It's side.
You gotta read it.
What's in the bag? What else is in the bag?
Oh, two.
E.
Hey.
Okay. Now read your card.
Here's your card.
Read it out loud, Chuck, so everybody can hear. No? Read the...
Thrilled.
Listen, Nadia.
What's that word?
For you.
Thrilled for you. Pumped. Pumped for you. Totally.
Sight.
Psyched for you.
What does it say?
Yeah, you. We are going to Disney World. No.
Ready? So you like your surprise? No, Mom needs that bag back. But the stuffed animals are your guys'.
Yep, those are yours.
But where?
But where are you going? Yeah! That's where